Fabric furniture are very likely to get dirty, especially with day-to-day use. But hey, no biggie. Here are 6 simple ways to clean your fabric furniture whenever things get a little messy. Number 1. Clean up fresh stains immediately before they seep into the fabric. This will help to minimize the stains. Number 2. Use a dry brush to remove food crumbs and dust weekly. You don't want them to become moldy under your seat cushions. Number 3. Use a handheld vacuum. It's handy because it reaches the inner corners of your furniture to suck away all the tiny particles. Number 4. Fabric cleaner. Wipe off the excess moisture, spray the fabric cleaner on the stain, and blot gently with a damp cloth. Rinse the cloth and repeat until the spot is clean. Number 5. Baking soda. Sprinkle some baking soda over the stain and let it sit for 30 minutes before vacuuming it off. This helps to remove light stains as well as the odor that comes with it. Number 6. Washing machine. This method only works for machine washable slipcovers. Simply remove them from your furniture and throw them in the wash. Air dry them before putting them back on. We hope these tips will help you maintain your fabric furniture for a long time. For more easy sofa cleaning tips, subscribe to our channel now.